Hi guys, so right now,
Salmon, chicken
so
inasal.
guys, tinignan ko na lahat ng mga ingredients niya and
Okay, ano sa'yo ba? Ang bilis. Okay, this is how it... Okay, review mo.
Harap yung Sargara adobo.
grabe guys, talagang
Nor, baka naman.
Food vlog.
Lahat na lang.
hi guys, so right now, today, Sunday, we ordered Cookunity. We ordered from Cookunity. It's like factor 75 meals, like all food is made from the chef, different chefs here in the United States, and we ordered this. Itong laman ng ang bag na to is 12 meals. So technically, for 4 days, para sa amin ni Kevin. So, wala siya ngayon. So, work siya. And, ito na yun. So, meron tong 12 meals, I think, for 4 days, from Sunday to Wednesday. Tama, yeah. So, we have this. Wait, let me just check real quick. Here. We have this. Adobo chicken, tilapia, and chicken inasal, barbecue, Japanese something. Iba-ibang style siya ng cuisine. So, try namin to, and kapag masarap, order pa ulit kami. Pag hindi, i-try naman natin yung factor meals or yung tempo na bago from Matt Rife. So, yeah. We paid around, so meron 50% off kasi new customer, and we have 50% off. So I think ang binayaran ko lang for 12 meals is ano ba yun? Like nasa $100 lang naman. Hindi pa ata umabot dun. So meron silang yellow ice kasi nasa bag siya. And this, see, nandoon yung chef pa, ang galing. Ito yung chef, oh. Tapos ano yun yung mga serving size, yung calories, protein, fat, and I think lahat to kailangan freezer ba dapat? Japanese style chicken katsu curry with steamed rice. And we have another one. Slow roasted pulled pork by Chef Chase Evans. We have chicken inasal, of course. I think Filipino yung chef na yan. Filipina. This is chicken inasal from Chef Stacy Bareng with green beans and garlic rice. Yum. And another one, Shaolit, by Chef Esther Choi, classic beef bibimbap. So nice, guys. Shaolit, si Chef Chase Evans, and Creole, pronunciation, chicken and other sausage jambalaya with scallions. Kayo na bahala magbasa. Ang dami daw kasi. And we have another one. Okay, new chef. Chef Dustin Taylor, Mexican chicken with chipotle crema, 2 serving protein. Nice. Love it. I think kinuha ko more on protein kasi we need that. And less calories, of course. We're trying to be healthy, like calorie deficit. Wow. And Chef Stacy Barring again, a Filipino chef, I guess. This is herb roasted salmon with truffle mash. Yummy! And, new chef. Chef Ivy Lark, which is Peruvian barbecue chicken with sweet potato mash and aji for verde. Nice. Tapos, ang maganda dyan is makikita mo kung contains ba siya ng mga eggs, wheat, soybeans, milk, para malaman mo kung allergy ka ba dun sa mga food na yun. So, you can skip that part. Yeah. Another Chef Stacy Barring. Diba, madami kaming na-order sa kanya kasi I feel like she's a Filipino. And, yeah, sana masarap lahat ng mga food na to. May different chef. Tsaka may mga pack date and use date. Use by June 26, mga ganun. So, I think kailangan talaga namin tong i-freezer or ref. Hindi ko lang sure. That one is adobo braised pork shoulder. See? Adobo. So, this one is another chef, Ruben Garcia. I'm not sure if he is a Filipino, but this one is lemon baked tilapia. Like, OMG. Lemon baked tilapia with Cajun cream sauce. Sarap. Tilapia. And, okay. This one, si Chef Stacy again. Adobo chicken with shiitake. I think it's rice. Oh no, it's not. Shiitake and jasmine rice. Yeah. Oh, this one contains gluten. I think. Kay Kevin lang yan. Kay Bamboo lang yan. Okay, last one. We have Chef Ruben Garcia again. And this is creamy mushroom risotto with herb chicken. I think masarap to. Mine to. Mine talaga to. Without wheat siya. Or gluten. Nice. Yung taas na protein niya, 51 grams. Oh, so nice. And look at that. We have another get a free Aura ring. Free? That's nice. Yan, may ganyan sila, may paganyan sila. And another ice. Yun yung laman ng lahat ng box na to. Or from Cook Unity. Cook Unity. Parang ganyan nyo guys. Cook Unity. Okay. So, I think yun lang. Hindi ko sure kung ref ko ba siya. May nakalagay ba? Ito. Help us reach our zero waste goal. Please unpack and refrigerate your meals as soon as possible. Keep them nice and chill until you're ready to eat. Please return this bag in the ice packs with your future deliveries. Oh. So, dito sa akin. Not sure. Okay. Yun lang, guys. So, stay tuned. Sa bawat kakainin namin, magre-review kami kung masarap ba or okay ba yung servings. So, stay tuned. Bye, guys! So guys, tinignan ko na lahat ng mga ingredients niya and lahat ng mga nandito is kay Kevin kasi may mga wheat yan tsaka may mga gluten, not gluten-free meals. Tapos ito yung mga walang wheat or mga gluten-free food or meals. Kasi I'm trying to avoid gluten tsaka mga wheat na ingredients kasi it might cause my gastritis or whatnot.
Okay, ano sa'yo ba? Ang bilis.
Korea sa taas. Akin ba to?
No, that's mine. This is yours. Okay, that's... Hindi ko din alam kung ano yan nasa taas.
Ano naman, masarap ka agad. Bugs, chicken inasal. Wow!
Ako po. Herb roasted salmon with truffle mash. Sa'yo, chicken inasal.
By Chef
Ayun nga yung sinasabi ko, parang
Bareng.
Filipina chef eh. Stacy Bareng. Bareng.
Chef Bareng.
Okay.
Cook Unity.
First,
At Cook
baka
Unity.
naman first
Bekenemen. In English? I don't know.
Fast instructions. Remove sleeve and peel corner of film to vent. Microwave for 2 to 3 minutes until heated. 2 to 3.
Sana po kasing sarap to ni... May kanin na ba to sa loob?
Limang inasal. Oo. Kung gusto mo pa dagdagan, tanggalin mo to ba? Natsara yun.
Tanan.
Sige. Sabi ba, remove? Wait lang. Ano? May sinabi ka.
Isa lang din kami ng
Yeah,
chef
isa
today.
lang pala yung chef namin.
Chef Baring.
Si Chef. Bayang basa. Chef Stacy Bareng. Bam, can you peel me?
2 to 3
Peel
minutes.
me. Wala akong bread. Ay, wala akong rice. Only mash.
Gusto mo mag-rice?
No. Sakit tiyan ko eh. Wow!
Bonggi!
Unity, baka naman.
Unity.
Mag-unite na tayo here.
Subscribe to our channel.
Ayan. Yan yung akin. Serving size. 680 calories. 30. 41 grams. Grabe naman. Sa'yo, onti lang. 300. Ay, yung calories, 700 bang?
Kasi it's a chicken.
Oo nga, pag chicken, malaki.
Bango!
Sobrang bango! 2 minutes niya may microwave. Ano ba yun? Ba't may fly? Ako naman bang? Siguro, ano lang yan. Sige, 2 minutes din.
Dadagdagan ko po ang aking rice. Nakulam mo po?
Salmon. Chicken inasal. Let's go!
Nor, baka naman.
Food vlog.
Lahat na lang. Ano food vlog?
Food vlog. No food. Atong akin ay... Walang lasa yun sa akin.
Bugs!
Pero masarap naman. Ito masarap tong mash. Oh, grabe. The best tong mash. Pero yung salmon, sakto lang. I think ang re-rate ko dito ay 6 out of 10. Para naman, boss. Boss mapagmahal.
Mang inasal. Ay, it's not even mang inasal. Chicken inasal. It is not what I expected to. But, rating is 5.
Out of 10. Sorry, chef.
Boring.
Chef Bareng. Better luck next time. Nagpasarap daw doon yung kinuha niya na to. Siyempre, ina-expect niya kagaya ng mang inasal. Wala naman siyang chicken oil. Kokon. Yun lang guys, bye. Day 1. Yan ang nagsasabing hindi daw masarap. Pero pangalawang rice na niya yan. Pangalawang rice niya na. Dahil daw dito. Nor, baka naman, Nor. Okay, today guys, I will be eating this slow roasted pulled pork by Chef Chase Evans. This would be my lunch for today. And yeah, let's see. Ooh, oh, there's no rice. Okay, I don't need rice for this. Okay, this is how it looks like super yummy yung smell niya habang nasa microwave. I microwave it for 2 hours, not 2 hours, but 2 minutes. It says in the package that it should be microwave around 2 to 3 minutes, but 2 minutes I guess is okay with 1000 watts microwave. And this is my brown rice. Okay, let's see. Wow. Surprisingly, ang sarap niya. The best Para siyang, ano ba tawag dun? lechon kawali. Excuse me. Para siyang gano'n na may sauce. Ang sarap ng sauce niya. Ito yung sauce niya. The best! Gusto ko ito. Chef Chase Evans. The best yung food. I give it like 10 out of 10. Guys, disclaimer. Wow, disclaimer. Hindi, FYI lang. Medyo maanghang siya. So, kung maarte or sensitive yung tiyan nyo, baka hindi nyo magustuhan kasi maanghang. Yun lang. Pero masarap siya. The best!
Alright, this is my lunch for the day. Japanese style chicken katsu curry. Masarap pa. By Chef Esther Joy. Hopefully much better siya. Hopefully much better siya from yesterday. So let's see. Nice. Okay, much better siya. Yesterday. So I got a chicken katsu again. Ito yung sauce. Siguro mga 6.5 ang rate ko rito. Itakimasu.
Hi guys, so another day, another food from Chef Esther Choi with classic beef bibimbap. Okay, let's see if masarap. Nako, contains wheat. Ibig sabihin, hindi siya gluten-free. Yummy. Hindi siya masyadong madaming rice, so sakto lang siya. Okay, let's heat. 2 minutes. 2 minutes or 3 minutes. It's okay. Okay guys, so pipili tayo for Kevin kung ano yung masarap na tikman. Habang nandito ako. Later pa yung pasok niya eh. So, I think masarap tong Mexican chicken. Ayoko na. Adobo chicken with shita. Pork brace. Ang gusto mo? Adobo chicken or adobo pork? Peruvian barbecue chicken to eh. Ginawa. Try natin. This one's for Kevin. From Chef Ivy Stark. Peruvian barbecue chicken with sweet potato mash and achi verde. Hoy, walang rice to, Bam. Mag-init ka po ng rice. Yan. Ten. Ay, may rice pala. Pero kakaiba yung rice. Ano siya? Red quinoa. Quinoa? Whatever. Ayan o. Yan yung healthy na rice, Bam. Yung sobrang healthy na rice. Okay. Ayan siya. Wait. Okay. Review mo ba?
Peruvian barbecue chicken. Natin guacamoles. Guacamoles. Masarap naman siya. So every day is getting better.
What?
Kung ang ano yata, ang rating ko yata kahapon 7.
Sabi mo 6.5.
6.5. Ito, 7.
Yung una mo 6. Tapos 6. So 0.5 lang tinataas?
5 yung last. Tapos 6.5. Tapos 7.
Ano ba yung una? Mine is bibimbap. Ang sarap siya. Ito ba, kung iti-taste mo tong ano, ilan sa'yo rate mo sa bibimbap?
7.
7. Ako, mga 9 out of 10.
Yung kanya po singer.
Yung kahapon na food ko, sarap na sarap si Bambam, 10 din siya dun. Yung pork brace, pork something.
Yung kinakain niya ngayon.
Amazing.
Alright, yo. So I've got a adobo braised pork shoulder from Chef Barang again. I think she's a Filipino artist, but let's see. Let's see. Now I'm gonna rate this after. About where it's filled. So let's go.
When I was just watching with Victoria.
Mabagat ang sarap niya, guys.
You don't got that in Indonesia. No.
8 out of 10.
They usually have fish, but
Guys, so today this is my dinner, another Chef Ruben Garcia, which is lemon baked tilapia with Cajun cream sauce and farro salad. Sana masarap to. Gusto ko talaga yung mga fish. Yan. This is my dinner for today. Wow. Galing. May rice na siya. Mukha siyang masarap. Masarap? Naligo kasi kami. Okay, microwave na natin. Hey guys, sobrang sarap pala nitong tilapia na to. The best guys, sobra. As in, lalo na tong... Wait, mushroom to guys. Sobrang sarap. Grabe guys, talagang hindi ako makapaniwala. Sobrang sarap nitong tilapia na to. Iba siya. Hindi siya yung ordinary tilapia na grill or yung fried. Basta kakaiba siya. The best. As in, pati yung rice nila na yan. Hindi ko alam paano pamagat. Basta sarap nito. The best. Another day, another food. This is our lunch for today by Chef Dustin Taylor. Mexican chicken with chipotle crema. Kita nyo yung itsura ni Chef? Mukhang hara na nga haraba. Bugs. I feel like mag-share na lang kami dito ni Kevin. Wala tong rice, pure chicken lang siya. So, ito yung rice namin. Hi.
Wala pa rin adobo ka.
Ito, pinaka-the best.
What?
Peaches and cream. The best, ang sarap niyan. Rate ko dito is
6.5.
7 out of 10. Sa kanya daw, ano ba?
6.5.
6.5. Ano lang siya, normal lang siya na chicken. Tapos yung sauce lang is parang mayonnaise, ganun. Yun, healthy naman. Bye. Guys, baka sabihin nyo, bakit kami nakaganito lang? Naka paper plate lang, tsaka disposable. Kasi mga tamad kami maghugas ng pinggan. Yan ang hack. Okay? Life hack. Okay?
Alright, yeah. Ito yung kay Bam Bam. Creamy mushroom risotto with herb chicken. Sounds good. Bye. My one last food from Chef Boreng. Adobo chicken with shiitake. Masarap naman. 6 out of 5. Adobo chicken. Boy ka ba?
Guys, ang sarap na ito. Para siyang adobong may pinya. I love it. Like 10 out of 10 to. Para sa food ni Kevin. This is my food. Ano pa magat na ito ba? Creamy chicken risotto something ata siya. Ito pa natitik.
Mushroom
Mushroom? What? Anong pamagat?
risotto with herb.
Risotto with herb chicken.
By
By
Ruben
Chef Ruben Garcia. Garcia?
Garcia.
Okay. Okay. This one is for you. Ay! Wala. Cooper. Sa'yo na yan, Cooper.
Oh.
Ano? Rate?
9.
9? Sarap? Kasi ito yung risotto na kinain natin sa Gordon Ramsay eh.
Bago humilo sa love.
Sa akin, 10 out of 10 to. Sarap to? Masasarap yung food ko ba? Ewan ko sa'yo. Ba't hindi ka nasasarapan sa'yo? May cheese siya on top, tas hinalo ko lang. And then may mushroom, tas risotto to, it's not rice. And then chicken, tas creamy na chicken. Overall, masarap yung lasa. It's like may pagka-unique, ganun. So yeah, I love it. Thanks, Chef Ruben Garcia. Good morning. This is the last cook unity that we have. This is from Chase Evans. Chef Chase Evans. Again, Creole chicken and andous sausage jambalaya. This looks good. Para siyang, ano tawag dun yung lagi ko yung order din. Basta, yun. And this is what I cook. It's a shrimp with mussels and scallop. It's more like shrimp buttered garlic. Pero sinamahan ko ng mussels and scallop. Last night ko yan niluto. So mamaya dinner ko yan. Or lunch ko rin pala. While waiting sa microwave, this is our rice. Brown basmati rice. Pero usually ang binibili lang namin is brown rice. Hindi yung basmati. Pero this one's good din. I believe ano to, healthy option din. Ganun. Yeah. And this is our favorite cereal, Reese Puffs. Sarap yan guys. Sobrang sarap. Peanut butter. I don't like the chocolate one. Ito, yung chocolate. Ayoko niyan. Pero this one, super nice. Super love it. And guys, we have Hikari Skin Essentials or I think it's a glutathione. Binili ko to sa Amazon para kay Kevin kasi to protect his skin. Lagi siya nasa arawan. So, yan. Shout out Alex Gonzaga and Tony Gonzaga kasi sila yung endorser nito eh. So far, okay naman. Okay pa. Hindi parang hindi umiitim ng todo yung si Bambam. So, I feel like okay siya. Unlocking. Dun, 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 dun. Weird. See that? That's the one. Guys, surprisingly, ang sarap niya. Pero maanghang na naman siya. Para siyang yung kasi yun, nilimutan ko yung tawag eh. Pero ang sarap niya. Nice. Paella yun. Parang ganun. Nice. Thank you. I will rate this 9 out of 10 kasi maanghang. Pero masarap. Sulit. Nice, nice, nice.